Which expression is equivalent to 7x cubed plus 7x minus 6x cubed minus 3x? So this is just a combine like terms problem, and so let's rewrite the problem here. So we have 7x cubed plus 7x minus 6x cubed minus 3x. Okay, so the first thing is let's get rid of the parentheses. So the first one, we can just simply do that. And then for the second quantity here, we need to distribute the negative sign. So we need to multiply each of these two terms by the negative sign. So the first term will be negative 6x cubed, since negative times a positive is negative. And then negative times negative 3x, that's a negative times a negative, so that's positive 3x. Okay, now we need to identify the like terms. So we have this x cubed term here, and if we look over here, we have another x cubed term. So we can combine these two. So 7x cubed minus 6x cubed is 1x cubed. There's an invisible 1 here, but since it's a 1, we don't write anything, because that's the convention. If there's no coefficient, it's just assumed to be 1. And then the second term, here we have an x raised to the first power, and over here we also have an x raised to the first power. So these are two like terms, so we can just add them together. So 7x plus 3x, that's 10x. So that's our final answer, x cubed plus 10x, which is answer choice A.